This is the E-type Jag that I've been rebuilding the seals on, and Rob just sprayed them and puffed them in down the bottom edge. Okay, and all of that was all handmade. All the lower floor pan, because obviously this isn't a flat floor car, this is a bit later. So I've rebuilt all of that. That was rotten, all the way through there. So we didn't need to replace the whole sill, just a localised repair, but it was pretty much all the way along the bottom edge. And Rob just sprayed that in for me. I'll show you inside to whomever it concerns. You can't see it actually, let's try that, is that better? All along there, that's all been painted black. Along that edge there, look. So yeah, a lot of work. There you go. All the way along. Give it a bit like that. All the way along there. Both sides. That's the same.